Autodesk Revit 2022 includes a native, configurable 2D PDF export feature to improve documentation efficiency. The PDF export dialog offers similar options to the print dialog, such as the ability to export the visible portion of a view or a user-defined selection of views and sheets. PDF naming rules may be set up within the Export Setup section of the dialog. You can use this feature to generate PDF file names automatically based on your project or shared name parameters. You can also choose to have the exporter detect output size and orientation automatically from the selected views and sheets. The native PDF exporter in Revit 2022 offers familiar and configurable features to improve documentation efficiency.